Today we will discuss about the engineering design cycle. Engineering design start with need. The need may solve by creating a completely new product, or an extension from competitors' design. The two distinct approach is also called as blue ocean and red ocean strategy respectively. Some of the examples of blue ocean strategies are Apple, Netflix, Reliance Jio etc. and red ocean strategies are airlines industry. After understanding the customer need and our approach, we fix our design constraints and work on concept design, which involves research, iteration, and comparing some early design. After that we create 3D or 2D design using some tools. This is known as visualization. After that we have to validate design. This can be done using CAE, experiments, or doing hand calculations. After validation the manufacturing begins.